Hey everyone, Dr. Baron Grutter here. In this video, I want to go over the Anatomic Profile Generator version 2 that we are now releasing, and I want to go over a little bit about how to get set up from the outset. So a little background first. What is this? What is the purpose of this? This is a little image. This software generates these little profiles here, and here's what you print or have milled or whatnot. A bunch of these little sleeves that will slide onto a titanium abutment or whatever form of abutment you're using, and it turns a normal abutment into an anatomic healing abutment. So instead of using a traditional cylindrical titanium abutment that is just, again, cylindrical, we can have these oblique forms and whatnot to match the teeth they're trying to replace. So the hashtag we like to use is hashtag cylinder to CEJ. So taking a cylindrical platform from the implant and converting it into a tooth shape as it emerges from the tissue. So anyway, the purpose is to give you something that is super inexpensive, very easy to develop, and ready to go for you at a moment's notice. If you print these ahead of time, you should have a bunch of them in whatever teeth shape you want, and all you need to do is slide it on your normal abutment, insert it, and you're good to go. Now you may need to cement it depending on how loose you design it. It might be friction fit or cemented, but even cemented should still only be about a 20-second process, because again, these are ready to go. Slide them on, cement it on, cure it, and you are good to go with to start training that tissue, that developing the proper emergence profile. So anyway, that's what the APG stands for, is Anatomic Profile Generator. We're generating these profile sleeves. And so when you download it, first of all, where are you going to download it? So there's a couple different places you can go right now. If you go to d3tool.com, this is Dr. Patrick Moore. He's my partner in this project. This is his website where he has some other software he sells and whatnot. So you can buy it here under the shop center. And then also you can come into my website, barongrutterdds.com, and go under it's /new products or accessory new products. Notice I said buy it. It is $0. We used to sell the software before, a different version of this, for $300. We have recreated the software completely, and we are giving it away. We really just want to bring back the idea of creating better emergence, but we don't want people to be strapped to do it. We want you guys to be able to just have this, download it, and have fun with it. Now, if you don't have a printer, there are going to be labs out there printing, selling them, whatever. But truth be told, the real thing is you got a printer, great. You have a buddy with a printer, great. Get a bunch of them printed up. Have a tackle box basically full of these things. Each one will be a few cents a piece to print. Okay, so once you do purchase it for $0, you're going to get a file that looks like this: apg_download.zip. Okay. Well, if you right click on it, because it is a zipped folder, which is a compressed folder, so it's a folder of a bunch of files, but it turns it into one file, easier to download, and it also compresses it in size. So if we right click on it, click on extract all, and then if we click this button, it will extract it, basically decompress everything and give us a new folder that looks like this. I'm not going to make you watch me do that, but now you will see that I've got this folder right here, and this is what's contained within it. There are two important folders. One are the abutment files. There's a very short list of abutment files here, and then one is the software itself. I'm going to get into the software use itself in a minute. So that's it. You've got the abutment files and you've got the software. Next video, I'm going to show you how to put this all together.